All right, guys, James with River Lunacy. It's Memorial Weekend. Happy Memorial Day coming up here. I guess by the time you see this video, it's probably a day or so past. I do appreciate your service. Thank you so much. It means a lot. We are going to drift today. We might drag a little bit. I'm kind of nailed for time. There is a lot of bait fish around here, I'm noticing. Of course, all I brought was skipjack. I ran out of time this morning. I didn't feel like dealing with the shad, and I feel like I'm in a crunch zone. Plus, I got stuck by a 45-minute train on the tracks right before the ramp. So let me get some bait cut up. Skipjack, these are not old at all. They're frozen. I did it myself, so I know they were prepared properly. Throw nice chunks out there. We're just going to drift. I'm going to stay off the ledge a little bit so I don't get snagged up left and right. We're running between 45 and 52 feet. There is a little up and down, but for the most part it's somewhat consistent and it works. And it's kind of a trench around this bank here, so sometimes they're in here. Let's go find out. There we go. That's a strong one there. Burning it. Man, that sucker hit that thing so hard. Maybe it'll help straighten the boat out for me. Yep, that's a nice fish. It's a nice one, guys. It's a nice one. Feels good. Oh, hopefully I can talk. We can hear because we got music in the background. All right, guys. I'm going to have to make a little voiceover this part of the video because there's too much music in the background. There's a guy in his boat over on the bank fishing, docked up, having just a good old time. It is the Memorial Weekend, and everybody can go out and do whatever they want to do. That's all right. At least he was playing good music, and I was enjoying it just as much as he was, probably. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was a lot of fun creating it, and there's a lot of good stuff going on here. Keep on watching, please. Go. We're in them now. We'll spot lock a second here. That's some fun stuff, guys. Whew, another one. Oh, flatty. Flatty flat. Woo! All right. Double action. Oh, I just get that off in there. All right. Man, smoked it, man. Ooh. There's the other one. I'm gonna get a quick picture of this fish. We'll let him go. Oh, come on. Wow. Look at that one, guys. Man, did he hammer that. Oh. Not bad. I just ran over a bunch of them. Boy, he hammered it though. Just ran over a whole bunch of fish. Got hit. I spot locked for a second here to kind of recoup here for a second. I was starting to get some rain. I was going to try to cover the camera. Got nailed on that one, then he missed it and came over and got this one. Skipjack head. Feels like a nice fish. Yep, it's a beautiful fish. Don't have my net ready, of course. Oh. Hooked good. Got some good ones down underneath this boat right now, swimming around. I'm kind of on a ledge area. It's a pretty good fish though. Start the day. Nice one, guys. Let's let her go. Got one dragging. Decided to do a little dragging here. And okay, looks like we're spot locked here real quick. Decided to run a couple boards. I'm running a board on each side and then just a regular dragging weight off the back without a board, and just got popped on this outside rod on the right side of the boat facing the back, and then he let go and this one just got smoked on the board itself. Pretty cool. He didn't annihilate it, but he definitely hit it hard. It's like a youngster channel. And there's the first dragonfish for the day. He'd like that coffee I just brewed up. Let him go. Pretty cool. Take it. Oh, that's a hard hitter right there. Woo, man. I spot locked for a second because I had 3 barges go by me. This sucker hit it, boy. I'm telling you, man. Oh, yeah. Stay on there, baby. Stay on there. Old Flatty, I knew it. He was staying down. Ah. Little youngster one. Ah, love all of them. Love all of the little flatties. Gotta love them, you know. Go. Let's let him go. Burping. Bad little sucker. There we go. Fish on. Oh, feels like a good one too. Spot lock a minute here. Just got hit on the other side of the boat too. Man, he smoked that sucker. That's fun, man. That is fun. Oh yeah. Nice little young youngster. Come on, boy. No. There you go. Main one. Fight. There goes the sheriff. There's a new sheriff in town. Get to see that. There we go. Let's let her go, guys. Wow. There he is. Woo, man, that guy's going. I had to sit down and take a break, guys. Put it on spot lock for a minute here. Sit down and rest, clean the boat up a second before I get going. Man, he squashed it. I love it. Memorial weekend, crazy back and forth boats drive me nuts. Can't even stand in the boat without killing yourself, you know. Gosh darn, guys. Woo. It's about the end of my day with this stuff. These guys are killing me. Threw me a rod out with the kitty call on it. Chunk of shad, I believe it was. This feels like a strong fish. Shoot, man, these waves are killing me, guys. Oh, you don't get seasick. Stay buttoned up here and not fall in. Come on up here. Let's get a little look-see. Oh man, that's a mean old sucker. Gonna be the best one for the day. I do believe. That's a good fish. These ours. Oh yes. Woo! Dang it! That's a good one right there. Mean old sucker. Gosh darn. Dang it. Fish go. Dangerous. Okay guys, I am beat to death by the waves from the giant boats today, and it's just been something else. I'm sure you could see. I don't know what kind of footage we got today. We got something though. You know, I can't complain. I caught some nice fish today. Majority of them were drifting. That one, of course, you know, on the blue rod, that was me just resting up for a minute here to gather my thoughts before I take off and deal with the back and forth boats at the boat ramp. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure appreciate you watching. Like always, please hit that thumbs up. And if this is your kind of thing, please subscribe. It really helped my channel out. It is free. Some people think you have to pay. It's free. It really just helps me out. You might get notified, and hey, then you don't miss out on more videos. So I'm gonna quit looking back and forth because I'm watching rods, looking like I'm skitzing out, but that's what I'm doing. Anyway, leave all the comments you want. I'll get back to you. If you got any questions, I got answers. Thanks.